Unpacking form helps us answer the PLC question number 1. What do we want all students to know? So we have to start by looking at the verbs and the skills that we're asking students to accomplish for this specific standard. We list them in this column. The next column we have is the concept. So any nouns or noun phrases that go specifically with those skills and verbs are listed in this column. And then if there's any context with teaching or teacher prompting or support, we can list here as well. We don't necessarily have to fill in every box, but we want to make sure that we have the context if it's embedded in the standard. And then we also need to really take a look at the DOK levels. Is it DOK level 1 or 2, or if it's more of an application, we have levels 3 and 4. And then the last section here is really imperative, actually, with vocabulary. So if there's any front loading that needs to take place or reinforcement of vocabulary, especially getting students to use these words in context throughout the lesson or lesson series, we really want to make sure that by the end of the unit or lesson that students really have and own these words listed in this box. And then after we take a look at the and break down the standard in these columns, we really want to then turn them into the student learning targets that we use to post on our board or to teach and reinforce to give students an actual goal for each individual lesson that we would be teaching throughout this unit.